What you doing?
I went in 4 and 3 and 5 days. Four and 5 days, that's an inch.
I don't want to touch that.
I did.
Dangerous.
I'm stupid. Oh, it's such amazing. Went too deep.
How do you still have all your fingers? Weird.
I suck on them a lot. How much were we going to go? We're up to 85,000. So we do an inch and a quarter. Okay, which is 5/16. Close enough. Which is 3/4. Drill that. That's not 3/4. 688.
Hey Tatro, did you see this one when you were looking for? Sitting right here.
Big one. That was eating on that one.
All right.
How close that's going to be, let's find out. Sharp recently.
Wow.
4-inch cut. First side.
Yeah.
So 5.3 coming. A lot of that going on today over there. Too close.
Here, go ahead.
Tatro,
I left.
bottle of that transmission fluid, and Alex is going to graciously purchase it for me on my behalf for stealing my fucking car.
Hey, don't swear on my video.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, YouTube.
Yeah, sure. You don't care. Damn boot. What a loser. Swearing on my video like that.
I know.
Something's always in my way when I want my drawer over here.
I know.
Gotta quit buying so many videos. So many of these. See, that's the one I cut.
No.
Almost fits in there. We'll be revisiting that.
That high spot?
That hole. size we want?
That size?
987, 86 and a half, 86, 87, 87. It's one of those sizes.
Okay.
Alright, so Tatro, why are you doing that again?
Am I doing what?
Why are you doing that piece for?
Because you wanted a spacer.
It's not for me, so
For the video. I know, I try to prompt him all the time.
Confuse me. But am I making it right is the key.
Yeah. He doesn't care about the people. He just wants to make it right.
Okay, we don't want 1 inch, we want under 1 inch.
people wants to be like, what is he doing?
Yeah.
Nobody knows that. I'm making chips.
We're making chips.
130.
Great.
One more 130. Make a wind chime.
Oh.
This one better than About 105, 67, something like that. Mike says 108. Which one do you believe?
Mike.
Maybe. No, it's 98 now. Whatever you want.
97?
Leftover cutting. So do you want this to be a press fit in here so it never falls out, or do you want to make it so it's loose and it can rattle?
Oh, you do.
Except when it's tight. Well, technically you can tighten up against the flange, it'll be tight. But do you want to make it where it's replaceable, or just put it in, press it in, and call it done? Permanent.
Are replaceable?
So it's loose. Means I gotta make it loose. You know what that means?
Taking off more aluminum.
This one says 87 and a half over here, so let's, whose mic is off? Is this mic off by 1 thou, or the caliper's off by 1?
I would say the caliper. But what do I know?
The $600 set of caliper off.
Yeah, but that mic looks old, and those things tend to.
Usually when it's old, it's
Well, this one says 88 and 4/10.
pretty accurate.
I would say that one's more accurate.
That one said 88 and 5/10.
Yeah, see? It's still closer than 87.
This one had 87 and 5/10. Of course, I'm reading at an angle with bad light.
I think they're pretty cool.
No, it says 88.
They are. God, you just cut your arm off.
Usually sticks bottom of my feet,
Make for a good video, though.
bare feet. Yeah, it's
This
definitely.
this thing looks pretty accurate.
Good cut. Lousy ass material. I screwed up yet?
I don't know, have you?
I don't know. You know what say? Don't touch that voice when it moves you. That will cut the piss out of you if you don't look.
Yeah.
That's sharp clear too.
If you do cut yourself, do you want me to keep recording?
I don't care.
Okay.
Semi-permanent.
Nice.
Not bad for roughing it in, huh?
Can we tell the people why you did that?
Because you're paying me to make aluminum chips.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Now for the fun part. How are we going to cut that off? We're going to use the dangerous ass bandsaw, or we're going to use the worn out hacksaw?
We're not hacksaw? It's better than the bandsaw.
Hacksaw's quicker.
Which one's quicker?
Bands-
The bandsaw?
Which is less sketchy, though.
Probably the hacksaw.
Blade's worn out. It takes forever.
Oh, God. All right, we'll be back.